To start this mindfulness practice, allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position, whatever that may look like for you. When you feel ready, gently close your eyes. With your eyes softly closed, take a moment to turn your awareness inward. First, simply bring your attention to your body. Notice the sensation of gravity, the weight of your body resting on the surface beneath you. Feel the points of contact between your body and the ground or chair. What else can you sense? What is it like to simply be in your body at this moment? As you observe, allow yourself to accept whatever you notice without judgment. Simply be present, acknowledging what is with a sense of kindness and allowing it to be just as it is. Now direct this same mindful awareness to your breath. If you haven't already, start to notice the sensations of your breathing. What do you observe? Just notice it, accept it, and allow it to be. No need for judgment, simply letting everything be as it is. As you stay connected to your breath and your body, hold compassion in your heart. With your eyes still closed, let your awareness expand beyond your body to include the space around you. You may sense the air or feel the presence of objects in the room around you. Simply let them be, just as you are. There is nothing to do, nothing to judge. If your mind starts to wander, that's perfectly okay. Gently guide it back to the present moment, back to the sensations of your breath and your body. Remain connected to this sense of presence both within and around you. Allow everything to simply be, including yourself. Now, begin to gradually bring your awareness back to your physical sensations. Start to gently roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and toes, all while staying mindful of the present moment. And as you begin to open your eyes, take this awareness with you into the world around you. Well done on completing this practice. We hope you carry this peaceful presence with you for the rest of your beautiful day.